Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20 SE, and today I will show you how you can change icon shape in this smartphone. So we have to download external application, tap on search bar in the Play Store and type X Icon Edition. We have to get this application. Let's install. Let's open. Click on the X in the left upper corner. Right now pick application that you want to change. For example, I'm going to change icon of Facebook. So pick. And when we apply this icon, we will get this watermark. So if you want to remove it, click here. As you can see, we have to go for the desktop and add the widget. So let's make it. Go for the widget, scroll down, click and hold it and add it to the home screen. Right now it will be reopened. Let's tap on the right upper corner, choose Facebook another time. As you can see right now it's without this mark, and we can easily change icon shape, for example for the star. Click OK. Right now we have to watch that ad and turn it off by tapping on the X in the right upper corner. Shortcut was added, so take a look. On the home screen, as you can see, here it is, and the shape of our icon has changed. So that's how we can set it up and change shape of our icons. As you can see, there it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.